Hey doing? I'm Josh Wooden Essentials. Today, I'm going to show you how I made this storage for my sanding discs. Originally, I had sanding discs just laying there with a piece of cardboard or something dividing my different grits. Let me show you how I made it. Starting off, I am ripping down everything to size and then cutting them to length. This is all made out of scrap wood I had just sitting around collecting sawdust. This project is also one of many that I need to do to organize my shop. Cutting everything to length on my miter saw. This is actually another project I need to tackle, is to create a better miter saw stand. Using scrap plywood for the shelves. I based how big the storage/organizer was going to be by the amount of shelves I could get out of these two pieces of plywood. One thing I had to keep in mind is this piece of plywood was a little bit thicker for when I cut the dados. To get the size of the shelves I wanted, all I did was just added a 1/2 inch to the size of my sanding discs. To cut the dados, I would cut the first side, then grab the other piece and make the same cut, then slowly move the fence, making another pass. Then placing the plywood in the dado until it's a perfect fit. Then going back to the first piece and making the pass I adjusted my fence to. Now that everything is cut, I will glue everything together, making sure it is all flush and square so my shelves will slide in. Off camera, I also did sand the dado grooves. Adding screws just for a little extra support, and I didn't want to wait for the glue to dry. I just got to be careful not to screw into the dados. Measuring the top so my sander will have a place to sit. All I did was make it flush in the back and mark it in the front. Surprisingly, this was almost a perfect fit. Making sure the sides are even. This scrap piece has a slight bow in it, but it's staying in my shop, so I'm okay with it. I decided just to screw the top piece in because if I was to ever get another sander, I can measure and make it fit for that sander. This was a project piece I needed in my shop for a while, and it got rid of some scrap wood. Eventually, I'm going to add the French cleat system to my workshop, but for now, I just figured to screw it up. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Also, check out some other videos we have on the channel.